All right. People of the state of Michigan versus Joshua Strickland. And Mr. Strickland is here today appearing from the jail. And he is on probation on a charge of possession of methamphetamine, which is a felony punishable by up to 10 years in the Department of Corrections. His attorney today is Mr. Stickley, and Mr. Strickland is here. Ms. Leister, the agent, is here. He has two petitions, one from March 24th, 2021, and one from April 22nd, 2021. And in those, he has the counts of the petitions of the violations. Mr. Stickley, did you have a chance to talk to him about these potential violations?
I did, Your Honor. We had multiple conversations this afternoon about these, and Mr. Strickland wishes to deny responsibility and enter pleas of not guilty on these and have a formal hearing.
Okay, fair enough. With that then, we need to set up a hearing. The first one is a count that he had failed to report to his Indiana agent as directed. And then the second one is that he is not to violate any criminal law of government and that he was arrested for conspiring to commit burglary and then also attempting to commit burglary out of South Bend. Now, is that charge resolved now?
Your Honor, he failed to appear to court and he has a warrant for his arrest in St. Joe County, Indiana.
Okay. All right. So those aren't resolved yet. Do you want to have a hearing on that then, Mr. Stickley, or do you want to hold off on that count until a later time?
It might be appropriate to hold off on that count until that case is dealt with, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So as far as a hearing on the first count, failing to appear for his agent, we can set that for a hearing immediately. You just let me know when you can get the Indiana agent available, and we'll set that as soon as possible. In terms of the other one, I'll enter an order indicating that the defendant pleads not guilty, and we'll set it for a hearing when those matters are resolved. So in terms of the hearing, Ms. Leister, we can set that up as soon as possible. How long do you think you need?
I'm not sure, Your Honor, because I'm going to say probably early next week. Trying to get a hold of the agent through interstate is going to be a little lengthy.
Okay, so
Kathy
will set it up with you. Just give her a time and we'll make arrangements. In the meantime, we'll appoint Mr. Gibson, who is the original attorney, to represent him on that. And we'll get that set as soon as we can, okay?
Okay.
All right, so on the first one, we'll enter a not guilty plea and set it for hearing. On the second petition, we'll enter not guilty pleas and indicate that the matter will be set off until those matters are resolved. Now, there's yet one more warrant that was issued against Mr. Strickland, and that was for his failure to appear for the show cause hearing on May 10th, 2021. And Mr. Strickland was arrested yesterday. What happened that you didn't appear in May, Mr. Strickland, for the hearing?
I was not aware of the hearing, Your Honor. Otherwise, I would have been in attendance.
Okay, what was your address?
I was living with my father, but we have a rocky relationship sometimes, and he didn't give me the message.
Okay. Well, we'll reset this for another hearing on July 12th. Again, you need to make payments on your outstanding fines and costs. It's $1,000 $5. You've made no payments. So again, we'll set it for July 12th. If you make a $50 payment before then, you won't need to appear. If you can't make the $50 payment, you need to appear and explain why. I'll indicate on that warrant, it's 1 day credit, 1 day. And on the other ones, I'm not going to give you a bond because we need to set this for a hearing, and we'll get that set next week. All right. All right. Thank you, everybody. What?
Oh, I was gonna say I can make payment towards that.
Okay, good. So you'll have that one. We'll send you that over there. You can get that taken care of. And then again, that'll occur every month until it's paid off. So if you make a $50 payment this month, you'll need to make another one the following month and the following month, or else be in court and explain what happened.
Okay.
All right, thank you. And we will get that set as soon as we can. All right, thanks. Okay, as far as that goes, Gina, we still have the trial going. It'll be going into Tuesday, so don't set it up for Tuesday. And then we'll see when we can get that set.
Okay.
Okay, good. All right, thank you.
All right. Thanks. Yep.